the visuals, even as we speak, of the mother of Renuka Swamy coming inside the police station. Heart-wrenching, really. She seems to have broken down when she comes into the police station to recover the body of her son. Remember, that is the drain that we are getting you the visuals of. That is where the body of Renuka Swamy was recovered. It's very unfortunate, really. In fact, let me go across to Deepak. Deepak, tell us a bit about Renuka Swamy. How did he get involved? How is it that the actor, someone who's such of great importance and has always had such great stardom in the area, managed to get in touch with Renuka Swamy? And how is this other actor now, Pavitra Gowda, also linked to this entire quagmire?
Now, Pavitra Gowda is a very good friend of actor Darshan. There have been some, controversies surrounding, and some rumors surrounding Pavitra and actor Darshan as well. Now, this is something to do with their personal lives. We are, of course, not going to delve too much into that aspect, but there is a suspicion here that there were some derogatory social media posts against Pavitra which irked Darshan and his team, and there is a possibility that is where this assault could have taken place, which eventually led to, of course, the death of this individual. But again, these are right now very sketchy details that are emerging. We should wait for more clarity from the police, who are right now remaining quite tight-lipped. I spoke to the Home Minister. He too is not divulging too many details as to what exactly led to this particular crime, because it's a matter of investigation. What he does confirm is that there is some solid evidence against this actor Darshan, and that's the reason he has been arrested at this point in time. Also model and artist Pavitra Gowda too right now being questioned at the Annapurneshwari police station. A thorough detailed inquiry is on. About 10 people totally detained. Some of his bodyguards as well have right now being questioned. All of this revolves around the fact that there could have been, anger building up over, this particular individual social media posts, and that is the reason he could have been assaulted and eventually killed. But whether, the actor or his aides has anything to do with it, or whether it was, a crime having no connection to them at all. But the police, of course, have to divulge these details. But to actually arrest him, as per the Home Minister's detail now, it definitely seems like there is some solid evidence backing,
Well, I'll just come back to you, Deepak. Meanwhile, these are the visuals that are going to come in on your screens of Darshan right before he was arrested. Minutes after these visuals, the actor Darshan was arrested. This is the last video of what we had seen of Darshan. There you can see him there. He seems to be working out, continuing with his daily regime. This is the last video where we can see him. Right after this, he was picked up from his farmhouse, allegedly by the police, and arrested. Let me go back across to Deepak. Deepak, we can see the visuals. The last one's available to us. We don't have the exact visuals of the arrest, but this is the last that we saw him before he was picked up by the police.
Yes, these are some of the visuals that have emerged while he was working out in a gym there this morning, after which, of course, he was asked by the police to come along with him. He was picked up, and now the Home Minister confirming that he's been arrested. So a lot of developments have taken place in the last few hours. Kamakshi Palya police station in Bengaluru is where the FIR has been registered. Annapurneshwari Nagar police station is where he's being questioned. We also, of course, saw the mother of the victim there coming to the police station and quite distraught over what has happened. Really, the entire family of the victims. But when you look at this entire case, it is, of course, quite a high-profile case considering the popularity of actor Darshan. He's, of course, been a key figure in the sandalwood industry. Not just him, his father too, of course, a very well-known face in the sandalwood industry. He's also played his part in the politics as well. He's, of course, not directly involved in any politics, but as far as his efforts in Mandya was instrumental in ensuring that the independent candidate Sumalata Ambarish managed to pull off a big victory against Nikhil Kumaraswamy. This was way back in 2019. He's also been a man involved and embroiled in few controversies in the past. Was also arrested a few years ago. This was a case of domestic violence where his wife had alleged that he used to beat her up. He was also sent, to police custody during that point in time, and eventually, of course, the matter was settled through courts. However, there have been a lot of rumors about his personal life, and whether this particular case is also very closely linked to that is something that the police investigation will be able to reveal.
Well, in fact, Deepak, do stay on with us. Pinky, if I can come to you. When Deepak was speaking to G. Parameswara, the Home Minister of Karnataka, he said that if an act of this stature is being picked up, there would be enough evidence to point a finger towards him. Can you tell our viewers a bit on the probe side? What is this evidence? What about the autopsy report, the forensic report? I believe it has confirmed that it was murder, not suicide. But how is the actor being linked to this murder case?
Well, what we hear from the police sources right now is that there were three people who, in fact, accepted about this particular murder. And when the questioning took place with these three men, that's when Darshan's name came forward. And in fact, when the investigation process was on, and that's when police also investigated few other people. And then with all these evidences, police has in fact picked Darshan with solid evidences is what we are hearing from the police sources. And actor Darshan was then picked from Mysore, and currently being questioned also Pavitra Gowda, who is very close friend to the actor Darshan. Both are being questioned right now, and there seem to be many theories as far as their personal lives are concerned, and that will not dig much into it. But clearly the police sources also are clearly saying that there are solid evidences as far as actor Darshan is concerned, and that's the reason. In fact, he has been picked by the police from Mysore, and the questioning is currently on, and we will have to wait for the official thing coming from the police. Back to you.
Well, we are going to be tracking all the developments on that front, getting you minute-by-minute updates. On your screens, you can see the last visual that we saw of actor Darshan while he was working out. This is at his farmhouse where he was picked up from the police moments after this. This is the last time that we saw him, after which he was picked up by the police. He was arrested, and this is the last video where we can see him working out at his home gym. I'm going to go back across to Deepak, who's been getting us all the details. Deepak, also throw a light on the victim that we have in this case, Renuka Swami. What is his background? What really happened with him? His mother, as we have seen, has just come right now to take the body home, and she broke down. So let's spare a thought about the victim as well.
Well, really delve into more aspects into this case, question multiple people, at least 10 being picked up. We should understand that this was a brutal crime, and whoever is involved, of course, should be given the most stringent punishment in this particular case. As we look into all the aspects, one should note that when the security guard found him, he was laced with injuries, was not alive, and the police, of course, eventually were informed, who've conducted a post-mortem, and it was pretty evident that it was a case where it was not a natural death, and there could be some foul play involved, and based on which, of course, they registered that FIR. Initially, there were no people who were mentioned in the FIR. It was against unknown people because, cops were blank about what could have gone wrong. And eventually, Renuka Swami, of course, after they identified who he was, got...
In fact, let me try and go across to Neha, who's joining us as well. Deepak, I'll just come back to you. Neha, what more details can you add to it? The Sandalwood star being arrested in this case. What really backs the case? What makes it... Neha?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, if we're talking about this entire case right now, like you rightly mentioned, of course, it's quite a high-profile case over here, given the fact that, one of the biggest Sandalwood stars here, actor Darshan, has been taken into custody. And in fact, these visuals that we're bringing to you right now from the Annapurneshwari Nagar police station in Bengaluru is where he's been brought for questioning. Remember, it's not just him, but in fact, these visuals coming to you right now are visuals of the other accused as well in this case, who have, in fact, who are, of course, suspected to have committed this murder of the victim here, along with actor Darshan. In fact, they were just brought into the station right now. What we're picking up at this point in time, of course, is the fact that actor Darshan is right now being questioned on various aspects, of course, of his involvement in this crime. Remember what, of course, we do know at this point, what the police has confirmed is that they did suspect that, of course, there were some links to this, and which is why he's been secured. He's been taken in for questioning at this point. If we are to, of course, talk about the connection with this, what we do know is that the victim here, Renuka Swami, reportedly had, in fact, put out some social media posts. There's some derogatory social media posts and as a result of which, of course, another person in concern here, Pavitra Gowda, was involved, and as a result of which we're saying that this could have been one of the reasons for the murder. Of course, while this was reported...
Is Pavitra Gowda also being questioned right now? Quickly, if I can interject. Neha?
Yes, in fact, what we're picking up is that Pavitra Gowda too, in fact, is inside the Annapurneshwari police station limits, is what we're being told, that in fact she was also brought here a little while earlier, that now essentially, of course, makes the fact that many of the people in this case who are considered to be an accused at this point, remember, they've not been named in that FIR, but of course they are being questioned.
So it's very interesting, 10 of them, including the superstar, the Sandalwood superstar, actor Darshan, has currently been arrested. Some of them are now being questioned. They have not been arrested, they have not been named, but then actor Pavitra Gowda is also now being questioned in the case of Renuka Swami's murder case. We are going to be tracking the story very closely. Thank you so much for joining us, Deepak, Neha, as well as Pinky. Without a short break.